Well, one of the most remarkable elections this time around has been in Orissa. Remember, there were assembly elections and the Lok Sabha elections simultaneously. Naveen Patnaik has been he's been a chief minister now for several terms, one of India's longest serving chief ministers. But he is out now with the BJD having resoundingly lost the elections at the assembly and have also lost very badly in the general elections as well, with the BJP emerging as the foremost political party in the state. There'll be a BJP chief minister for the first time.
You know, when Naveen Patnaik went to give in his resignation, 25 years he's been chief minister of Odisha, but he missed that record, Vishnu, of the longest serving chief minister. He had to just serve another 100 more days. No, just 100 more days and he would have got that record, but yes, missed that record now. Let's go across to Ratnadeep as the focus shifts now to who will be the chief minister from the BJP, and what are you hearing on that? Dharmendra Pradhan, of course, is what was being speculated. He has now returned to Delhi.
That's right. In fact, Dharmendra Pradhan had to fly back to Delhi to attend the Council of Ministers meeting that Prime Minister Narendra Modi had convened. What we are hearing that Dharmendra Pradhan might return back to not Bhubaneswar but to his constituency Sambalpur by tomorrow, because he's yet to collect his certificate, winner's certificate, and then at some point of time by tomorrow evening he's going to reach Bhubaneswar back. That's what we are hearing. But the core committee, BJP core committee members, including state BJP President Manmohan Samal and other BJP leaders, might leave for Delhi later in the evening. That's what we are hearing from the BJP. But at this moment I am outside the residence of the former Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, who had resigned this morning. We are outside Naveen Niwas, and all the BJD candidates who have won this time have been called to Naveen Niwas for a very crucial meeting to review this poor show of the party. Remember, out of the 21 Lok Sabha seats, BJD could not manage a single seat in Odisha. Their numbers in the state legislative assembly have fallen down by half. But now all these 51 candidates who have won have gone inside Naveen Niwas